I always have this one particular question in my head lah. Aku tengok kau daripada zaman kau kecil lagi. And macam-macam movie, macam-macam drama yang kau dah buat. Why switch? Or probably why add on?
Okay. So I started in the industry. So I was born in 1998. 2005 I've involved myself in the industry. Which is, to be specific, film industry lah. Kan, layar perak lah, TV, kaca TV and whatnot. And then pada 2008 RTM dulu dia ada rancangan kanak-kanak menyanyi tau.
Yes.
Pisang emas. Pisang emas. So I involve myself. So every week dia akan ada je lagu baru yang rakam. So saya punya awkward dengan studio tu tak ada dah. So I'm very very comfortable being in front of a mic, recording and whatnot. And then pada usia 12 tahun lagu saya tercalon untuk music tajuk Mama Papa. So I've involved myself in music industry quite sometimes lah. Tapi as a writer and composer recently.
Yes.
I boleh cakap maybe around 5 years ago baru lagi. Kan. Why switch? I do feel like dia kalau orang nak ada experience 20 tahun, at least by then they are 40 years old. Or 50s, but they started working after they finish studying and whatnot kan. Macam at the age of 27, I have 22 years of experience dah in acting. So maybe that is one of the reason kenapa saya rasa macam nak buat something new. And being in film industry, saya dah nampak macam mana producing, macam mana writing, macam mana directing for film industry. Which to be frank, dia jauh lebih renyah daripada music. Sebab saya dah nampak filem punya. I'm not saying that producing music is easy. Tapi bila tengok music macam you can be the producer, you can be the composer, you can be the director for the music video, you can be the writer, and you are on hand if you have your own song. Kalau drama, nak produce satu drama susah. So I just want to have a product of my own. That's one of the reason kenapa saya switch to singing lah.
Satu orang kata berani juga lah sebenarnya kan.
Bang goyang juga bang. Tapi I do feel like sebab ada sokongan, especially from family lah.
Aku macam tu